Hi guys, welcome to our channel Tech and Talks. So today we are going to learn a new session that is ethical hacking or pen testing. So at first, in this case, we have to know how to change our MAC address, right? So whenever we are going to launch an attack or we are going to check the pen testing, firstly we have to see that no other persons can trace us. So that's why firstly we have to change our MAC address. So today we are going to learn how to change our MAC address. I think already you have an idea about MAC address. We are going to check what is our MAC address by typing the command ifconfig. So after typing the ifconfig command, you will get the IP address of the your system, that is 10.0.2.5, and the MAC address also you will find, that is here 08:00:27:4E:66:64. So this is our MAC address. So wherever we are launching attack or we are sending some packets, the receiver can see this MAC address, right? By seeing the MAC address, they can trace us. So before going to do any task, we have to change it first. This is our first priority. So for that, we are having a command MAC changer, and we'll see the help. What are the options available here? So you can see the versions. So it will show you the version of the Mac changer, so that is not a necessary thing. And -s so it will print the MAC address. So how to get them, I will check. Mac changer -s, and we have to give the device name. The device name is Ethernet 0. That is our network device, means network NIC card. Okay, if we give, you can see the current MAC address is this one, and this one only our permanent MAC address only. So next point is E. -E means don't change the vendor bytes. Vendor bytes means you already know. So these first three bits are vendor bytes. First three bytes are vendor bytes. So this represents from where the MAC address is generated. Okay. So if you type the MAC changer -E, then it will generate a new address for you, but the vendor address will be the same, means first three bytes will be the same. Let's check. MAC changer -E Ethernet 0. So see the current MAC address, means whatever we had the MAC address, that is from this vendor. So still the new MAC address also the same vendor, but the remaining bits are changed. Okay, so we'll go to next option, set -A. So set random vendor MAC address of the same kind, means it will change the vendor address also. So we'll just edit it. A. So see here everything is changed. Okay, the same you will get by capital A also. So again, after changing the MAC address, if you want to get your permanent address, means your original address, then you have to type the -p. So for that you have to give MAC changer -p Ethernet 0. See the current MAC address, the means current means the previous one. So previous address was this one. Okay, this address was previous one, and the permanent MAC address, we know we have this one, permanent MAC address. So it changed to new MAC address, that permanent MAC address only. Okay, so by typing the MAC changer -p and the NIC device name, that is Ethernet 0, so we can get our permanent MAC address. And random means when you are giving R, so set fully random MAC address. See, up to now whatever we are giving, it is belonging from some company, some primary electronics, okay, Primax Electronics and Cadmus Computer System, anywhere. it is belonging. But whenever you will give the command R, it will give you anything. Maybe that vendor doesn't exist. Okay, let's check mac changer hyphen R for Ethernet 0 device. See, just it give a random one and the vendor name is unknown. Okay, so like that it will come. Let's see the another help. Okay, so this is the list hyphen L. List means the vendors. If you want to see the existing vendors, you can type mac changer hyphen L. See, those many vendors are there. So if the first 3 bytes are started with this one, then it is the symbol Spectrum 24 vendor. Again, if it is starting for this one, then it is vendor is this one. Like that you can define. Okay, so you'll see the another options. Now pretend to be burn-in address and all those things are okay. And M hyphen M. So if you want to give by your wish, okay, so for that you can give simply mac changer hyphen M space like 15 dot, sorry, dot, no dot, it will be colon 15 colon 15 colon 15 56 78 89. I want to give this one as my mac address, so I'll give. Okay, I didn't allow the device Ethernet 0. Okay, error interface for insufficient permissions, cannot assign requested address. Okay, sometimes it will give cannot assign, and most of the time it will take, so not a matter. Okay, so now we understand how to change our mac address. As I already said, it is very necessary to change our mac address so that nobody can trace us. So thank you guys for watching this video. Subscribe our channel to stay with us. Thank you.